Warning: never perform maintenance or assembly procedures with engine running or serious personal injury may result. Tools required are a 13mm hex wrench, Power Blend X Grease 8-ounce tube, part number 91014, and grease gun part number 91016. Remove the hex bolt with the 13mm wrench. Check for grease. If no grease is present, then insert the grease gun in the fill hole and add 2 pumps of grease. After 2 pumps of grease, recheck, and if the grease is not visible, then add grease until level with bottom hole. Once the grease is visible, reinstall bolt and tighten with 13mm wrench.